Hey guys, this is Jay from swimtrading.com, and right now we are at the Markets Insights Trading Festival that is brought to us by Phillip Nova and MarketWise Asia. So in the morning, I shared with the attendees, right, if we have 300 plus of them, the energy was great. And I shared with them what to expect and how to deal with the current US-Iran conflict. And right now, as we are heading into a ceasefire, which potential sectors and stocks are poised to have the next move up. So if you are not here at the event, you are missing out tons and tons of golden nuggets.
Hi guys, my name is Jun Kit and I'm from Phillip Nova. We shared with our dear attendees and investors about what are some instruments that you can use to be trading in a market that is potentially going down or going in sideways. And also more importantly, how you can do this cost effectively. We reiterated the difference between investing and trading. A lot of people are very curious and interested to know what's happening right now in the market and more importantly, what's going to happen in the future amid such turbulent times. I think this is a very wonderful place to be meeting and networking with like-minded investors and traders.
Hey everyone, my name is Rayner. I'm the founder of TradingwithRayner. Today I shared about the reason why 95% of traders fail and what it takes to be in the top 1% of traders. Towards the end, I gave the audience trading strategies that work, right, backed by data, so they can use it to profit from the financial markets. Learn about the different trading methodologies out there, find out what resonates with you, discard what doesn't make sense to you, and then kind of like tweak it and make it your own.
So do catch us live at the next event, and I hope to see you there.